Today, we're going to break down Python's core data structures. So you've probably heard of these, right? But what's the real difference? Let's find out. First up is the list. Think of it as your all-purpose, flexible container for data. See those square brackets? That's how you make a list. And you can mix in different data types. So remember this, they're ordered, you can change them, and duplicates are totally fine. Next up, the tuple. It's basically a list that's been put on lockdown. You can't change it. And check this out. It uses parentheses instead of brackets. That's a key difference. It keeps its order and allows duplicates, but the big deal, it's unchangeable. This brings us to a huge concept, mutable versus immutable. Lists can be changed, tuples can't. All right, now for sets. Their whole deal is uniqueness. No repeats allowed. For these, you're going to use curly braces. That's the signal to Python you're making a set. And here's the rule. They're changeable, but they will absolutely not allow any duplicate items. And last but not least, the dictionary. This is all about storing data in key value pairs. Just think of it like filling out a form, Each field has a value. So you have a unique key, like name, that points to a value, like Alex. So to sum it up, dictionaries are ordered, they're changeable, and the keys, they have to be unique. Okay, let's put it all together. This table right here is basically your ultimate cheat sheet. So there you have it. Now that you know the tools, what are you going to organize first?